Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to get Spotify Premium for free. Just go ahead right here to your browser and search for Spotify Premium, how to get it, and just enter the first result right here. It used to be before that you can get Spotify Premium for free for at least 3 months, but now I think it is for 1 month. Anyways, you can just go ahead and start your free trial if you haven't started your free trial, or you haven't downloaded Spotify before. Just go ahead and start the premium for free, and now afterwards you're gonna have to pay a monthly payment. Right here it says 21.99 Saudi Arabian riyals, but I have no idea how much in dollars. And here here is the advantages and the disadvantages about this premium. You get to listen music anywhere, and you get to download music and listen to it without internet, and you can get unlimited skips without any ad or anything annoying like the Spotify standard. So you can have these advantages in your disposal if you subscribe to the Spotify premium. Okay, and if you liked it, that's great, you can subscribe to it. And if you haven't, just you can cancel anytime. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.